Hello dear students, today we are going to start with the word problems in fractions. Word sums. Example 1. A painter had a new can of paint. He used 2/7 of the paint to paint a chair and 4/7 to paint a table. What portion of the paint was left? Now the solution will be paint used to paint a chair, that is 2/7, and paint used to paint a table is 4/7. So the portion of paint used out of the whole means 1. So we'll add up these two fractions, 2/7 and 4/7. As these are like fractions, so we'll add like this, 2 plus 4 upon 7, that makes 6 upon 7. Therefore, portion of the paint left is 1 minus 6/7. And LCM of 1 and 7 is 7. So we'll take the LCM as 7. And in the numerator, we'll write 7 minus 6, that is 1 upon 7. Hence, 1/7 portion of the paint is left. Example 2. Joseph had a reel of wire. After using 5/6 meter of the wire, he was left with 1 3/4 meter of the wire. How much wire did he have in the beginning? Now, the wire used is 5/6 meter. And the wire left is 1 3/4 meter. So the total length in meters is 5/6 and 1 3/4. As you all know, these are mixed fraction. First we will convert it into improper fraction, that is 6 into 5 plus 5 upon 6 and 4 into 1 plus 3 upon 4. 6 5s are 30 plus 5 upon 6 and 4 1s are 4 plus 3 upon 4. 30 plus 5 is 35/6 and 4 plus 3 is 7/4. Now we will take the LCM of the denominator, that is 6 and 4. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are 3. So the LCM will be 2 into 2 into 3, that is 12. Taking the first fraction 35/6 and multiplying both the numerator and denominator by 2, we will get 35 into 2 is 70 and 6 2s are 12. Taking the next fraction 7/4. Multiplying both the numerator and denominator by 3, we get 7 3s are 21, 4 3s are 12. Now we add these two fractions. Therefore, 70/12 plus 21/12. In the next step, we will write 70 plus 21/12. And after summing up 70 plus 21, we will get 91/12. And now we can convert it into mixed fraction, that is 7 7/12. And meter. Unit is very important, as you all know. Hence, Joseph had 7 7/12 meter of wire in the beginning. Now some exercise question. Question number 1. Raman bought 6 1/2 kg of flour and Radha bought 15/4 kg of flour. A part, how much flour did they buy altogether? And B part, who bought more flour and by how much? So the solution will be flour bought by Raman is 6 1/2 kg. First we will change it into improper fraction, that is 2 6 are 12 plus 1 upon 2, that makes 13/2 kg. And flour bought by Radha is 15/4 kg. First we will solve A part. How much flour did they buy altogether? So altogether means addition of both these fractions. So flour bought altogether is 13/2 plus 15/4. Taking the LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. So, we will take the denominator as 4. 13 into 2 plus 15 into 1. 13 2s are 26 plus 15 upon 4. And after summing up, we get 41/4 kg. And now we can convert it into mixed fraction, that is 10 1/4 kg. Hence, we got the answer of A part, that is 10 1/4 kg of flour bought altogether. Now the B part. Who bought more flour? Now for comparison, as you already know, we have to cross multiply. That is, flour bought by Raman is 13/2 kg and flour bought by Radha is 15/4 kg. So comparing these two fractions, 13/2 and 15/4, we will cross multiply. That is 13 into 4 is 52 and 2 into 15 is 30. As you all know, 52 is greater than 30. So 13/2 kg is greater than 15/4 kg. And this 13/2 kg has been brought by Raman. So Raman bought more flour. Next part is to find the difference. Difference equals to 13 by 2 minus 15 by 4. LCM will be 4. Again 13 into 2 minus 15 into 1. 26 minus 15 upon 4. After subtracting 26 minus 15, we will get 11 by 4, and now we can convert it into mixed fraction, that is 2 3 by 4 kg. So the answer is difference is 2 3 by 4 kg. Second question, after spending rupees 72 1 by 2, Ruby was left with rupees 7 3 by 4. How much did he have in the beginning? So the solution will be total money rupees 72 1 by 2 and the money left is rupees 7 3 by 4. So money in the beginning is rupees 72 1 by 2 plus rupees 7 3 by 4. First we will convert it into improper fraction, that is 2 into 72 plus 1 upon 2, and here 4 into 7 plus 3 upon 4. 2 into 72 is 144 plus 1 upon 2 and 7 4s are 28 plus 3 upon 4. It becomes 145 upon 2 plus 31 by 4. Now taking the LCM of 2 and 4, the answer is 4. So taking the LCM of the denominator as 4, 145 into 2 plus 31. 145 into 2 is 290 plus 31 upon 4, and after summing up 290 plus 31 we will get 321 by 4. And now here we can convert it into mixed fraction, that is rupees 81 by 4. Hence Ruby had rupees 81 by 4 money in the beginning. Now some practice worksheet. Question number 1. Sunny cuts off 3 by 8 of a paper strip. What portion of the strip is left? Question number 2. Molly and Varun ate 5 by 12 parts on a cake. What portion of the cake was left? Third part. A reel had 23 by 4 meter of thread. A part. How much thread was left in the reel after Ali used 8 1 by 2 meter of thread? And B part. If he later used 7 3 by 8 meter more thread from the reel, how much thread was left? Children, please note down all these questions and practice it at your home. Thank you.